Welcome to our Grooming Showdown. Today, we are comparing two of the most versatile grooming kits on the market, the Braun All-in-One Men's Shaving Kit Series 7440 and the SHPAVVER 12-in-1 Beard Trimmer. Both of these kits promise to deliver exceptional grooming experiences. But how do they stack up against each other? We'll dive into their features, performance, and overall value to help you make an informed choice. Let's get started. When it comes to pricing, the Braun Series 7440 is priced at $119, making it a premium option in the grooming market. In contrast, the SHPAVVER Beard Trimmer is more budget-friendly at $99. This difference in price may reflect the additional features and brand reputation of Braun, but the SHPAVVER still offers a robust set of tools for a lower cost, making it an attractive choice for those looking to save. The Braun Series 7440 features a unique precision wheel that allows for 40 different length settings, providing exceptional control for achieving the perfect trim. This level of precision is ideal for users who want to customize their grooming experience. On the other hand, the SHPAVVER offers fixed guide combs with lengths of 3, 6, 9, and 12 millimeters, which may be less versatile but still effective for standard grooming needs. This difference in precision control is a key factor to consider based on your grooming preferences. Battery life is crucial for cordless grooming kits. The Braun Series 7440 boasts an impressive runtime of 100 minutes on a full charge, allowing for extended grooming sessions without interruption. In comparison, the SHPAVVER offers a slightly shorter runtime of 90 minutes, but it compensates with a faster charging time of just 1.5 hours. Both options provide adequate power for most grooming needs, but the Braun's longer runtime may appeal to those who prefer longer grooming sessions. In conclusion, both the Braun Series 7440 and the SHPAVVER Beard Trimmer offer unique advantages for grooming enthusiasts. The Braun stands out with its precision control and longer battery life, while the SHPAVVER provides excellent value at a lower price point. Ultimately, your choice will depend on your specific grooming needs and budget. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and reviews.